Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a makeup tutorial using the Nars Skin Deep. So I'm super excited. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I love these colors. And life update, I moved, so that's why there's a new background here. And okay, let's get started. But first of all, I have to tell you, my hero item of the day are these earrings. Okay, these are Bauble Bar, did a collaboration with Target, and Target has redone their whole store. It's amazing, like you have to go. So, hero item of the day, and my book recommendation of the day is The Female Brain by Luann Brezendine. And I first heard about this on Focus on the Family. It talks about the difference between male and female, why we're different. It's fascinating. She is highly trained, and it's an amazing book. So go get the book. So let's get started. I also, as a bonus today, am going to go through my 5 favorite brushes. So these 5 brushes are my favorite. It's all I need to get ready every day. I mean, I have more brushes, if you will remember, from my little World Market, but these are my favorites. So I'm just gonna go through them really quickly. So MAC, this is the MAC 217. Okay, I'm just gonna show them to you real quickly, and then you'll see me put them on. And then I've got this e.l.f. contour brush, this one here, this is for eyeshadow. And then I've got the Morphe M502. This is like a blending brush. And Morphe, you can get it Ulta. And then I've got the Morphe, basically M310. This came in a packet, but it's similar to the Morphe M310. And then finally, Urban Decay F107. This I use for contour and blush. So I'm gonna start with my contour and blush. So first of all, of course, contour bronzer, Hoola bronzer. Love Hoola bronzer, it's my favorite. So just take that there. You've seen me do this before. You're gonna basically go right there, and then you're gonna go on the top here like this, and then the bottom. And again, you're gonna make a 3. So like this, like this. That's your 3, okay? And it'll blend more later. Then we take the fan brush and we get into the highlighter. You take the highlighter and put it right here, and here. Cupid's bow. That's it. So blush and highlighter, done. So moving right along, I'm gonna get right into the palette. So the first color I'm gonna use is this like mushroom color here in the corner. So we're gonna take this brush right here, eyeshadow brush, and this is more of a, if you wanna put a darker line in there, like a real deep line, you start with that. And then the fluffier brush I use to blend. So just start right there, right in the crease. Just go right there in the crease. And then what I like to do, okay, this is a hot tip. So my darker brushes I like to use with the darker colors, and my lighter brushes I like to use with my lighter colors. So now I'm gonna get into the lighter color here, right here, and I'm gonna use this lighter brush. So then you do right under the eyebrow, right there, like that. And then on top of the lid, a little bit on top of the lid. Okay, now, again, it looks wonky, but you have to bear with me because everything's gonna blend in. Then I take this gold, right here, this gold color, and I just get it with my finger. And I put it right in the center of my lid, right there, like that. Right in the center of the lid, that's it, right there. All the gold, and again, blending it with the lighter brush, like that. And then I take this brush again, and I take that same mushroom color, and I go under my eye right here, just like that. And then I put a little more there. Then I go straight into, I'm just gonna go straight into my mascara. Now I'm using the Difinicils by Lancome. Oh my gosh. So this is the primer, and I'm just gonna put that on first. Oh, and I did my eyebrows. Okay, I have to show you this pencil that I did my eyebrows with today. This is the NYX Ash Brown, okay, at the drugstore. That's all I used. It's amazing. Great hot tip right there. Oh, and another hot tip before I'm letting this dry. So for my hair, I did my hot roller video, so go back and watch that. And the Net from the drugstore, L'Oreal hairspray. This is the best hairspray ever. So don't forget that. Okay, now that the primer has dried, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of this on. Just like that. And okay, this Difinicils mascara is amazing. I love it so much. I actually think I like it better than the Monsieur Big. But if you watch my Lancome video, you'll see I did my purchase with purchase at Christmas time. But this mascara, I love it. Difinicils. So, where's the thing? Right here, sorry. Okay, there we go. Lancome Difinicils. So, then I'm just gonna do the bottom lashes really quick. Like this. And I like to go over it. And again, I don't know if you remember me telling you last time, but it's always good to use 2 mascaras. So I'm gonna do my second coat of mascara with the Almay Benefit, Blue Benefit, Almay, okay? So just add a little more right here. Okay, and I just cannot get enough mascara. I've had eyelash extensions before, but to be honest, I think I just like my natural lashes. So, and then finally, I'm gonna do the lips. So I've got MAC Plum Lip Pencil. I just love MAC lip pencils. And I put it all on my entire lip right here. Just the whole thing. And then all I do, okay, after I do this, my favorite thing to do after is just use this. Okay, this is my new favorite Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar. And it's so smooth and creamy and it goes on great. You just put it right, I just sometimes put it right over my lip pencil and I didn't even use any lipstick. But it's so creamy and it blends it and brings it all together. And it's just, you have to get this. Like, I love this so much, so much. So, and then at the end, I'm gonna go in a little bit with the, this golden, bronzy golden color and just go over the crease with that. It just kind of deepens it up. And if this is more of a day look, but if you're going nighttime, then I would really go dark. But then you do that outer corner right here, the V, outer corner V right there with that one. It's like a golden amber. Like, these colors are amazing, so amazing. But I do have a dupe. So if you want to go on a budget and a dupe, look at this. Melani from the drugstore. It's Everyday Eyes from Melani. So the Nars, I can't tell you how much I love this palette. Go out, get it. I missed everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.